All right, I want you to pick up on the shine here. Look at this. It's a $185,000 car, and we're talking about, this is just straight tire dressing. This is not a conditioning product. This is now gonna have to be removed. You're gonna have to use an aggressive APC, some steam. This is gonna be a lot of work, all from an improper chemical, improper use of something. This is straight tire dressing on the interior of a $185,000 car. And we can completely avoid all this by choosing the right product, process, and procedure. And this is just a shame. This is gonna have to be stripped down. We wanna bring you in on this. We talk about this on the podcast all the time. Look at this hot chemical. This is a completely satin finish wheel, so it can't be polished. This is a refinish situation. You can see the lines here. This is pure chemical burn. Look at this. All from an improper chemical. More than likely, this is a car wash, an improper detailer, doesn't matter, but you can see all these streaks. That is not fixable because of the finish on this wheel. These are gonna have to be taken apart and completely professionally refinished at a great cost to the owner. All avoidable with the right chemicals. TRX wouldn't even cause anything like this.